everybody, my name is Amanda and I am going to give you a video testimony for Thrive Empowerment Center and for Lindsay and Lauren, whom I love. They are amazing people and I'm so thankful for them and what they have done for me and my family, and teaching us how to defend ourselves and empowering us in that. And gosh, so I grew up as a daughter of a deputy sheriff, and my best friend's dad growing up, he lived on our street as well. And so we always had two cruisers out there. So I had this false sense of security, and I was kind of naive to what was going on in the world. My dad really didn't share the stories of what he dealt with when we were younger, and we lived in one of the smaller communities in the county. So it was, everybody knew everybody, and there wasn't much going on crime-wise, I guess. So in my adult life, I met Lindsay, and we became friends pretty quickly. And she shared her story and how martial arts and self-defense has helped her in that. And after lots of pleading and begging, she finally convinced me to come to a class, and it changed my world. It kind of really rocked me. And I left feeling so incredibly strong and empowered, and with this new I don't know if it's self-respect or if it was an inner strength, I'm not sure, but I felt like a changed person. So one of the next classes, I took my daughters, and that rocked me even more. I loved that they were learning these techniques, and but to see them in a hold with somebody that I know and love very much, even that rocked me, because I can't imagine not equipping them now. No, after that visual, you know what I mean? So I'm telling you, you need to get into these classes. You need to get your daughters into these classes, even your sons. Like, if they have a class for you, for moms and kids, you need to go. Ladies, equip yourself, because you never know what life is going to throw at you. And the more you practice, the more you're aware, the more equipped you are for that situation. And if you don't use it, that's amazing. But you leave, you just feel stronger and more empowered. So I hope that you all will check it out. And yeah, you guys have a great day.